Hi guys, I'm Tony and you're watching the Capped Malayali. So today we'll be talking about Samsung. Yes, the Exynos 1080. It has so many features, so we can discuss one by one. So the first thing is new heights of intelligence, neural processing unit for an on-device AI. So what it does is that it enables applications like virtual assistants and AR to process info directly on your device. It makes the Exynos 1080 capable of running up to 5.7 trillion operations per second, which is so fast. The next feature is 8-core CPU with ARM Cortex A78 and LPDDR5 support. Switching between apps with minimum lag, and octa-core CPU consists of one ARM A78 core optimized for peak performance and 3 A78 cores for balanced processing and 4 A55 cores for efficiency. Next feature is G78 GPU. Samsung says that this GPU will amplify our immersion with smooth detailed visuals while also reducing load times and lag. Next is HDR10 Plus and 144Hz display support at Full HD Plus. It supports refresh rates of up to 144Hz in Full HD Plus, which is crazy. It will be so smooth without any lag. And the next is it widens the range of what's visible in content by dynamically optimizing brightness setting to enhance colors. Next is redesigned photography and videography. So the first is photography. It supports up to 200 megapixels and it has 6 individual camera sensors. In case of videography, it is redesigned filmmaking. It is HDR10 Plus in 4K UHD and it supports true 10-bit recording. Next is low power technologies with 5 nanometer process. Samsung says that this processor is able to maximize its low power performance with the EUV FinFET process technology. Samsung seems to be discontinuing Galaxy Note line. So got a report from a South Korean business publication which had the info coming from Samsung on the Note series and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. According to them, Samsung has told that they will be cancelling the Note series and Galaxy S21 Ultra will feature an S Pen. Also got a report saying that the Note will not be cancelled in 2021 but in 2022. Sure Allah, but Note line is going to be cancelled. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video and click the bell icon for more notifications. S21 Ultra will not have S Pen slot, but it will support S Pen and you will have to buy it separately, which is strange, but magnetically attach ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയാൽ then it would be cool, but otherwise it's ഒരു extra cost തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. But still, let's see. We also have some details about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and rumors are saying that it will be having an UDC, which is an in-display front camera, which means a full screen display on the inside. We have seen prototypes of this, but if it's happening then the Z Fold 3 will be the first to have it. Samsung also tried the pop-up camera but rejected that because it wasn't durable. It had some durability issue. S Pen would also be included and it will have a slot for that in the Fold 3. S21 Ultra pole extra വാങ്ങിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. It will be there with the Z Fold 3. So according to this report, they are mentioning about a new display type, which is a second gen ultra thin glass or UTG display which supports the S Pen. So that's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. So see you guys on the next video. Capped Malayali signing off.